Hello everyone. So we already know how to find help for our shell built-in commands using the help facility or tool. And we also know how to open the manual pages for our executable programs. So just I need to add one more thing here. You can use the what is command to display a very brief description for your executable programs. Okay, so as the name suggests, what is will display a very brief description of what the command does, your executable program does. Okay, so if you want to know what your cp command does, you just say what is cp, execute, and it will display a very brief description of your cp command. Same thing for your ls command and for your head command that we know. What is tail? What is date? What is cal? As you can see, it's very easy, right? You just say what is and then your executable program here. But it does not work with the shell built in. So if you said what is cd, it will not work. It will tell you nothing appropriate. What is type? It will tell you nothing appropriate because we know that type is shell built in. We also know that cd is shell built in. This is why it will output nothing appropriate for both of these commands. And actually, the what is command itself is I think executable command. So if you said what is, as you can see, it basically displays the information about the what is command itself, and it tells you that it displays one line manual page description. So it basically selects just one line of your manual page. So yeah, I actually like this command what is. It's very easy to use and it's very helpful for your executable program. But you need to remember that it will not do anything for your shell built in, right? And it's just funny that it's just very funny to say what is. It seems like a robot, right? Yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ciao.